Yo, okay, the first video of 2025. This is gonna be a fucking sick year. Um, right, what am I actually doing? Yeah, so I'm gonna do my draw for tomorrow. And then, okay, addressing the situation of the mask is completely different. I'm currently building my new image, my kind of brand. I want like a cool mask with like a suit. Because I want to start doing TikTok and shit. I want it to be aesthetic, so I haven't got that yet. So I'm currently just going to rock this belly until that's made. So, yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Going into tomorrow, actually, what's new soon? What the fuck? How do I... Ugh, why is it like this? I want it in daily format. Okay. Monday. So CPI all day, which is just so AIDS, because it doesn't give any indication of. So I'm gonna class this as a no news Monday, I'll be completely real. Some PMI at 245 might bring a little bit of volume, but I'm still gonna trade. But just note that it's no news Monday. It's important to have that as in your journal. Tuesday we got news, Wednesday, Thursday, lots of news throughout the week besides Thursday, so should be pretty active. And it's getting into the new week where it's no longer Christmas or New Year, so the price action should be forming a little bit more normal if possible. It's the first thing I've already actually done on my draw, but I'll just go over it again. So we're in this weekly fair value gap, which we're currently holding. But on ES we ran through it. That's this one here. So on an absolute bigger time frame, I'm bullish because we do have this SMT here, and we're in this weekly fair value gap. Going down a time frame to the daily, I actually posted this on Twitter how clean this looks. Besides these equal lows, which was sketching me out a little bit, we've had an SMT on the bigger time frame. We've had the manipulation. We've now got an internal SMT right here. As we see, ES took this low, NQ didn't. Then this internal low wasn't taken on ES. It was taken on NQ, so we've got the internal and external manipulation. And we're actually bouncing off this daily fair value gap. So then zooming in, 4 hour fair value gap gets ran, and we get a 4 hour change in state, which is the last series of the closed candles before the manipulation leg. And we get that on both. So we have a 4 hour change in state on both. And respective targets are we have this daily fair value gap up here on both, which I'd like to see filled. And we've obviously got resting buy side. What was kind of skitzing me out is this high in this 4 hour has been taken on ES and been tapped into, which is right here, but not on NQ. This I think will be the rebalance to then come lower and then form some sort of internal mold to then go higher. I mean, technically, if we're in a 4 hour, we've had a sweep, we get displacement down, we could then see these equal lows, but just in terms of how we've had all this manipulation, I don't think we need to come down and sweep these equal lows before heading up higher. I think what I want to see is we've had the 4 hour change in state, haven't rebalanced to this 4 hour, all this buy side, all this daily. So what I want to see coming into Monday is, and just further on the week, is more structure form, potentially manipulate or SMT one of these lows. We have resting equal lows down here. I want to see something like this. So we form structure, blah blah, maybe do this, maybe some sort of SMT, displacement, fair value gap, enter, and then try catch longs. That's what I want to see. On ES here, we've got a nice hourly, so potentially if we come back down to this hourly, I'll zoom in, see if we get some internal structure. And that's aligned with this 4 hour change in state as well. do have a 15 here. Let me just put market open here. But yeah, what I'm gonna do every single day that I'm trading, video every day, journaling efficiently, properly showing everything I'm doing, and really just fucking being way more professional with it. This is more of a chill video because it's a Sunday and I'm just doing my draw for Monday. But in terms of once I've done the trades, going over them thoroughly, what I did wrong, what I did right, literally everything. Coming down to scaling and all the time frames as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my draw. I'm bullish for this week. Interesting how if this 4 hour SMT wanted to play out and this to be the draw, I'd need to see big displacement down, because currently this is the manipulation here, so I'd need to see, yeah, there's just not much in it at all. I guess technically, there might be an internal model base. It's against the draw, but if we get close below this for a 15-minute change in state, we've had the sweep of liquidity, 15-minute change in state, run through this fair value gap, potentially grab shorts down to this low and this hourly here, which might be quite nice for a short, but then again it's playing against the draw, so you gotta be super careful when doing that. And then mark this in there, we swipe buy side. The SMT was this high to this SMT. There's the buy side. Yeah, it looks nowhere near as clean as the buy model. And actually what's interesting is this SMT here caused this big sell-off to then have that. So actually I'm gonna leave that. I don't actually give a shit about that actually. Now I'm thinking about it. Yeah. Price looks pretty good. Let's see what happens this week. And yeah, good luck fucking trading. Be careful. Tomorrow's a no news Monday. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Stick to your rules. And let's have a fucking anabolic 2025. We fucking got this. On the fundeds. Let's go. Okay, I pretty much covered everything, and yeah, I will see. Let's see what price gives us coming into the week. I'm just gonna see if there's a 30-minute actually on NQ, which there is here, and it aligns with the change in state, so I'll potentially see how we react here. What are those equal lows saying on that's these lows here. Cool. Alright. First video 2025. This is milestone low key. We've another year. Let's go.